Hello and welcome to Exams Made Easy. Friends, I hope you all are doing well. Sorry for not being able to upload recruitment notification videos for the last couple of days. Actually, for some personal issues, I was busy. So I'll be uploading all such pending videos within the next 2 or 3 days. So if you look at this recruitment notification, this is a recruitment notification by RITES. RITES is a Government of India public sector organization. RITES is going to recruit graduate engineer trainee or GET in civil, mechanical and electrical engineering discipline. In civil engineering discipline, number of vacancies 25, and electrical it is 8, and in mechanical it is 15. And this total number of vacancies are distributed among various categories. If you look at the age limitation, it is from 21 years up to 30 years. And the cut-off date for calculation of age is 1st of July 2021. So if your age is in between 21 years till 30 years as on 1st of July 2021, then you will be eligible. So the posts are graduate engineering trainee, that is GET, and civil, electrical and mechanical, and these are the notification numbers. And minimum educational qualification is bachelor's degree or BSc or BTech or BE in the respective engineering department. For civil, it is in civil engineering discipline, but for mechanical, industrial engineering, production engineering, mechanical engineering as well as automobile engineering graduates also can apply. For electrical engineering or EC, electrical and electronics engineering, EEE also can apply. And friends, here I would like to mention that candidate belong to general or EWS category. Minimum qualifying marks is 60%. For SC, ST, OBC, person with disabilities, minimum qualifying marks is 50%. So 10% relaxation is there. And friends, other informations that I like to give, that vacancy for which identified category and disability criteria is also clearly mentioned here. If you belong to the disabled category, then you can see what are the physical requirements or functional conditions required. So I'm not going into detail of this. If you would like to get this recruitment notification PDF, you can avail the same from our Telegram channel. If you have not yet joined our Telegram channel, then a link is available in the description box of this video itself. By following the link, you can join. So friends, for such posts, selection procedure is interested candidate fulfilling the eligibility criteria should have appeared in GATE 2020 or GATE 2021. That means valid GATE score is also required. So you can apply online. As you can see here, the procedure of application is online, and application procedure has already been started. And grade marks weightage is 75%, followed by interview, whose weightage of interview is 25%. So, and nature of period of engagement, if you see, the pay scale is from 40,000 to 1,40,000, together with the other allowances like dearness allowance, home rent allowance, and leave and maternity leave are as per rules applicable. So application fee, if you see, for general and OBC you have to pay rupees 600. For SC, ST, WS, PWD candidates you have to pay rupees 300. These are the helpline numbers. You can see, if you have any queries, you can contact to this such numbers for your redressal. And if you look at the application procedure, friend, this is the website by following which you can apply online. If you like to get the link of this website, I will give it in the description box of this video itself. By following the link also you can apply. And friends, some other informations are also there, like what are the documents that are required while applying online. You can see from this list, these are the documents that you should have to keep you with yourself while applying. So friends, this was all about this recruitment notification. If you have any questions, please let us know by commenting below in the comment box. And if you look to get this kind of recruitment notification updates every day, then please make it confirm that you have subscribed to this channel, and never forget to press the all notification bell icon to never miss any upcoming updates. Thank you.